As the COVID-19 outbreak continues to ravage the world, the international community is facing an economic downturn not seen since the Great Depression of the 1930s. Recovery is hard to predict, but the Secretary-General of the OECD told Arirang News in an exclusive interview that South Korea will see a much smaller economic fallout than a great many other countries. Soo-young has this report.
South Korea could become one of the first countries to bounce back from the COVID-19 recession. That's according to the OECD Secretary-General Gurria, who said the Korean economy could get through the crisis relatively unscathed, owing to its innovative measures to contain the pandemic.
You were better prepared, that the measures were more effective, that Korea had equipped itself and was not only ready, but had the necessary infrastructure. They did not have to improvise. That you also isolated the ones who had the contagion, and then you even created some new modalities of testing and then isolating, like the drive-through method, for example, the telephone booth methods. So the world has a lot to learn from Korea. And you can see there's no division between economy and the war against the virus.
The Secretary-General also highlighted Korea's comprehensive measures designed to ease the pain of the economic fallout. These include income and corporate tax reductions for small business owners and plans to distribute basic income to individual households. Gurria warned that governments, businesses and households across the world face a mounting debt crisis, unable to pay their bills or creditors due to the stunted cash flow. He said developing countries will be especially hard hit.
This is very important to make sure that instead of paying their creditors, they're focusing on the virus and they're focusing on the patients, they're focusing on their people. But after that, they will need to reinforce their structures, and the wounds and then the scars will be even deeper and greater.
He called for global coordination on debt repayment and the sharing of innovative policies to help the world overcome this borderless pandemic. Soo-young, Arirang News.